Hi everyone, I am Win Macari and you can call me Win Artsy, and I am a charcoal portrait artist. I do wall paintings, I do black and white portraits, and I love drawing anime. That is one of the most beloved things that I love to do. Definitely, it would be a work in progress. Kasi every day, I start a new artwork and alam mo yung feeling na sisimula ka pero hindi mo kaya tapusin. Every day that I make a mistake is something that I love to apply and learn it into another day. Nagsisimula sa panibagong linya ng istorya na itutuloy at itutuloy ko yung panibagong kwento. Itutuloy ko yung pagdodrawing ng portrait. Hindi lang naman ako, pati ibang mga artists na ina-apply din to. They make, they work, in progress, they improve. Lahat tayo nagsimula sa beginner. Walang artist na hindi nagsimula sa beginner. Even advanced level artist. At kung alam mo, nadaanan mo na yung feeling, nagsimula ka ng isang artwork, at para feeling mo hindi ka nag-i-improve, nag-aaksaya ka lang ng oras, walang kwenta itong ginagawa mo. Well, definitely congratulations. Kasi at least alam mong tama yung daan mo. Kasi walang artist na hindi nagdaan sa hirap. Well, naturally, as an artist, we are prone to being criticized by a lot of people, lalo na kung pangit yung art mo. Hindi ka naman magkakaroon ng pera din sa kakadrawing mo. So, take that criticism as a challenge and prove them that they're wrong. Kahit feeling ko nag-aaksaya ako ng oras dito, nag-i-improve, tutuloy ko lang. Kasi alam ko yung ginagawa ko, may mararating to. If that's your passion, then pursue it. Pag talagang gusto mo ginagawa mo, walang pipigil sa'yo. Tuloy mo lang yan at alam mo in the future, it's something that can bring you a lot of blessings, a lot of happiness, and a lot of encouragement to the people around you. And eventually, ikaw na mismo ang mag-i-encourage sa kanila na magsimula ng panibago na kaya din nila gawin kung anong kaya mong gawin. And that is making artworks and making people happy. That is all. Thank you!